Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and a warm welcome to the episode 2 of the Sangeet Akhada, presented by The Music Village. The epic battle continues tonight with a fresh set of singers. While the sweet and tingling remembrance, the melody of the first episode still lingers on, we have this new batch of singers who's raring to go. Friends, the battle is on, and a new interesting match is going to come up in the next few minutes. So Sucheta and Preeti move ahead into the grand finale. Let's see who catches the bus tonight. Don't go away anywhere. Friends, at this point, a quick recap of how the judges are going to be scoring the songs. As we discussed in the previous episode, 60% of the weightage is going to be given to Sur and Tal. No surprises there. 30% of the weightage goes to expression and the remaining 10% to creativity. How you make this song your own. A bit later in the program, we will once again introduce all of you to our esteemed panel of judges. But before we move ahead, it's very important for me to share with you the behind the scene team that's working on this epic program, this epic battle. To start with, the head of the pack, if I can say, the Mahaprabandhak, Papuri Harsh. She's managing the show. She's ably supported by Ritesh Rai, our whiz kid, or you can call him a genius. His videography is no surprise to any of the members of the Music Village and the audience in general. He is our Chalchitra Pramukh, or the person who's managing this entire telecast. And last but not the least, the most important and thankless job of coordinating with the contestants. Our Pratyogi Sanchalak is Tuhina. She's doing a great job corresponding with all the contestants, getting their videos and songs in place and sharing it with the judges. Thank you very much to the behind the scene teams. Friends, we've added a bit of tarka to this episode, a little bit of fun. And the fun is going to be in the form of a surprise quiz. So I'm going to give you 3 clues during the course of this program at different points in the program. And you'll have to guess the song by the end of the episode. The song is one of the songs sung by one of the 5 participants tonight. And the clues will be about the participants as well as some bits about the song. So hopefully, by the end of the episode, you would have guessed which song I'm talking about. So the very first clue coming up, the participant who's singing this song tonight is also a great photographer. So get your grey sense working and let's see which song we are talking about. Kicking off the evening tonight, we have our first singer coming up very shortly. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you, Sheila.
Jaya 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 He Veena Pani Jaya 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 He Veena Pani Shiva Kalyani Shiva Kalyani Mat Bhavani Jaya 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 He Veena Pani Jaya 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 He Veena Pani Nirigari Gama Gama Dha Dhani Dhani Sani Dhapa Ma Gari Gari Sa Sapta Suron ki Tu Maharani Sapta Suron ki Tu Maharani Vedoni bhi महिमा न जानी वेदों ने भी महिमा न जानी जय 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 हे वीणा पाणी जय 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 हे वीणा पाणी गगरि सा निरि ग म प म गरि गरि सा प प म ध प म गरि ग गरि सा निरि सा आज सुरों के दीप जला दो आज सुरों के दीप जला दो रोम रोम संगीत जगा दो रोम रोम संगीत जगा दो। जय 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 हे वीणा पाणी, जय 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 हे वीणा पाणी। प प म ध प म ग रे ग म ध नि सा सा नि रे ग रे सा नि ध प म ध नि रे सा सा। बोलत घुंघरू पाजे पायलिया, बोलत घुंघरू बाजे पायलिया। झूम रही है सारी नगरिया, झूम रही है सारी नगरिया। जय 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 हे वीणा पाणी, जय 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 हे वीणा पाणी। नि रे ग ग ग रे ग म म म ग म ध ध ध म ध नि 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 ध नि सा सा नि नि ध ध प प म म ग ग रे रे सा 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 नि नि ध ध प प म म ग ग रे रे सा 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 नि नि ध ध प प म म ग ग रे रे सा। जय 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 हे वीणा पाणी, जय 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 हे वीणा पाणी। वीणा पाणी, वीणा पाणी, वीणा पाणी।
Bravo! What an amazing performance, Sheila. Maza aa gaya. You've set the tone for the evening. Ladies and gentlemen, next we have a singer from TMV that you've seen in many of our programs. Presenting to you, Jyoti ji.
बेकरार करके हमें यूं न जाइए, आपको हमारी कसम लौट आइए। बेकरार करके हमें यूं न जाइए, आपको हमारी कसम लौट आइए। देखिए वो काली काली बदलियां, जुल्फ की घटा चुरा न ले कहीं। चोरी चोरी आके शौक बिजलियां, आपकी अदा चुरा न ले कहीं। यूं कदम अकेले न आगे बढ़ाइए, आपको हमारी कसम लौट आई। बेकरार करके हमें यूं न जाइए, आपको हमारी कसम लौट आई। देखिए गुलाब की वो डालियां, बढ़ के चूम लेना आपके कदम। देखिए गुलाब की वो डालियां, बढ़ के चूम लेना आपके कदम। कोई कोई भंवर भी है बाग में, कोई आपको बना न ले सनम। बेकी बेकी नजरों से खुद को बचाइए, आपको हमारी कसम लौट आई। बेकरार करके हमें यूं न जाइए, आपको हमारी कसम लौट आई। जिंदगी के रास्ते अजीब हैं, इनमें इस तरह चलान कीजिए। खैर है इसी में आपकी हुजूर, अपना कोई साथी ढूंढ लीजिए। सुन के दिल की बात ना मुस्कुराइए, आपको हमारी कसम लौट आई। बेकरार करके हमें यूं न जाइए, आपको हमारी कसम लौट आई।
थैंक यू ज्योति जी, आपके गाने ने तो मजा ला दिया है। Thank you for this soulful performance. We hope to see you in the grand finale. Ladies and gentlemen, at this point of time, I would like to take a short detour. And while our singers are waiting, I would like to take this opportunity to introduce you to another COVID warrior from the Music Village team. The Sangeet Akhada is a way of Music Village paying tribute to its COVID warriors, COVID survivors, people who stood up when it was required and served their community. We spoke to Neha Kulkarni last week, my friends, and this week we have another great member of the TMV team, and he is Ashish. Welcome to the show once again, Ashish. I would like to start right at the beginning. What were your initial thoughts when you had the symptoms and you thought of going for a test? What was going through your mind?
So it was 21st of March when my parents traveled back from Mumbai, attending a family function. At that point in time, it was a mandate for anybody traveling from Mumbai to Indore, all have to carry the negative RT-PCR report. Both of them also carried the negative RT-PCR report, and just after a couple of days, my father started showing symptoms of cough. As they were carrying the report for two days back itself of negative RT-PCR report, he said that okay, it is not anything related to COVID, and we just started medication of normal cough. But next day itself, my mother also started showing the symptoms of cough, and by evening my wife Shilpi, she also started complaining about having body ache and feeling a bit feverish. That is the point in time where we thought that there is something going on and we all need to get ourselves tested ASAP.
Once you made the decision of going for the testing and went there actually, what was the whole testing experience like? Was there a lot of anxiety? What really went on in your mind?
So we immediately got the pathology lab booking done for having our samples collected from home. We were just badly waiting for results to come and were hoping that everything comes out normal, and we find that reports arrive as negative.
Finally, when the results came and you realized that you and your family were tested positive, what exactly went through your mind? What was the reaction of your family? And what were the very first steps you took for the battle that was there staring at you?
So 7:30 in the morning, we got the reports, and we found out that all 5 of us are COVID positive. And it was really a shocking moment for us to know that not 1 or 2 of us, but all 5 of us are now COVID positive. Immediately, I got connected with the family doctor. Around 10:30 in the morning, we were sitting in Shelby Hospital nearby to our house. The only worry at that point in time was regarding my father, because for him, the doctor suggested a full-blown medical prescription where he suggested remdesivir and also some steroids because of his BP, sugar and age. That is where at the back of mind, that was the tension, that what will be his CT chest report outcome. I was worried about that as a most of the part. Otherwise, as 5 of us were COVID positive, we were dealing with it. We were not in that state of mind from isolation or those kind of things. We were not having any challenges. Around evening time frame, when the CT chest report arrived, I discussed that with the doctor. For my father, he said that 2 score out of 25 for CT chest, I think it should be fine for you to continue having him home quarantine. And that was a moment of relief for all of us, where we could have everybody home quarantine without any issues or challenges.
Thank you, Ashish. We will come back to you with some more questions. Friends, now is the time for clue number 2 in the quiz time. And the second clue is, the name of the film from which the song is taken has numbers in it. Does that ring a bell? Well, keep on thinking. The end of the episode will tell you which song I'm talking about. Happy thinking! Ladies and gentlemen, presenting now before you one of the most dhamakedar singers of the music village. Please put your hands together for Sunaina.
चिट्ठी न कोई संदेश, ओ चिट्ठी न कोई संदेश, जाने वो कौन सा देश जहाँ तुम चले गए। चिट्ठी न कोई संदेश, जाने वो कौन सा देश जहाँ तुम चले गए। चिट्ठी न कोई संदेश, जाने वो कौन सा देश जहाँ तुम चले गए, जहाँ तुम चले गए। इस दिल को लगा के जाने वो कौन सा देश जहाँ तुम चले गए। उस वक्त कहाँ थे हम, कहाँ तुम चले गए। चिट्ठी न कोई संदेश, जाने वो कौन सा देश जहाँ तुम चले गए, जहाँ तुम चले गए। इस दिल को लगा के जाने वो कौन सा देश जहाँ तुम चले गए। हर चीज में अश्कों से लिखा है तुम्हारा नाम, ये रस्ते भरे गलियां तुम्हें करना सके सलाम। और दिल में रह गई बात, जल्दी से पूरा करो कहाँ तुम चले गए। चिट्ठी न कोई संदेश, जाने वो कौन सा देश जहाँ तुम चले गए, जहाँ तुम चले गए। इस दिल को लगा के जाने वो कौन
That was brilliant, Sanana. आपका गाना सुन के मजा आ गया. I wish you all the very best for the next stage of the music akhada. Well, ladies and gentlemen, taking another short break, let's get back to Ashish, who we've been talking to about his COVID experience. So, Ashish, what was during the whole treatment process? How did it all go for you? What was your entire experience, good as well as bad?
So all 5 of us were home quarantined. I got the remdesivir injection delivered at home. At that point in time, I was not that aware. Okay, they are just normal injections. Somebody will come and I'll ask someone to visit home, do the arrangement and get the injections provided. I came to know that these are not the normal injections, but they need to be provided through IV. Now that was like that point in time I came to know that okay, this is something I need to really look immediately for how this needs to be worked out. So every day during evening time frame, the person used to visit, provide the IV to my father. For last 2 days it was really painful for my father, because he started having that very heavy vomiting sensations, and so 2 days of remdesivir he had a real bad time. For my wife Shilpi and my mother and Nihar, for them it was good that they didn't got into not any other complications. Same was with me also. City chest was good, but I got a fever for at least 6 to 7 days. It was really draining for me, not even able to get out of my bed, and it was like heavy weakness I used to feel. Like somehow like we all managed it through. All in all, like get past this situation.
During this very, very trying and difficult period, what was the experience of your extended family, your friends? After all, they were also there with you in this whole crisis one day.
During this phase, no family is left untouched with COVID impact. Our family was no different. There were some instances or some news that we also had where we lost our distant and close relatives also, and it was very saddening. But overall, like tough situation that everybody of us went through during this time.
Thank you, Ashish. You've been a really brave man. Ladies and gentlemen, taking another short break from this conversation with Ashish, let's move on to the Sangeet Akhada. Friends, coming on to our next singer for the evening. Here's presenting before you Rachna.
वहाँ तक है चाहों के साए, यहाँ से वहाँ तक है चाहों के साए, ये दिल और मन की निगाहों के साए, मुझे घेर लेते है बाहों के साए, मुझे घेर लेते है बाहों के साए। लिपटते हैं पेड़ों से बादल घने, लिपटते हैं पेड़ों से बादल घने, ये पल पल उजाले, ये पल पल अंधेरे, ये पल पल उजाले, ये पल पल अंधेरे। बहुत ठंडी ठंडी है राहों के साए, बहुत ठंडी ठंडी है राहों के साए, ये दिल और मन की निगाहों के साए, मुझे घेर लेते है बाहों के साए, मुझे घेर लेते है बाहों के साए। धड़कते हैं दिल कितने आजादियों से, धड़कते हैं दिल कितने आजादियों से, बहुत मिलते जुलते हैं इन वादियों से, बहुत मिलते जुलते हैं इन वादियों से। मोहब्बत की रंगी पनाहों के साए, मोहब्बत की रंगी पनाहों के साए, ये दिल और मन की निगाहों के साए, मुझे घेर लेते है बाहों के साए, मुझे घेर लेते है बाहों के साए। La 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 la
वाह क्या परफॉर्मेंस था रचना, हम सबको तो मजा आ गया। All the very best to you for the next stage of the program. Good luck. Friends, let's move on to the last section of our conversation with our COVID warrior Ashish. Welcome back, Ashish. So, after the ordeal ended and you and your family recovered, what was going on in your mind? Did the whole experience took a mental toll on you?
So as all 5 of us were COVID positive, it was like a journey that we were taking it all together. After 14 days of home quarantine, it was a big relief.
You know, Ashish, it's said that the family and friends are the ultimate pillar of strength for anyone. During this entire journey, what was the real role of your friends and family? How did they help you to go through this very difficult path?
Family and friends are the key. They are the ones, they support you during these tough times. Each one of my close friends reached out to me, family members reached out to us. All the members were ready to extend all kind of help that were required for us, and we were really grateful to them reaching out to us and helping us out in whatever manner they can, in whatever capacity. as a family, we were going through this phase together. In the family, like all of us were having this COVID positive symptom. So we were helping each other out. Although I must say it was my wife Shilpi and my mother only hold the fort throughout this journey, because I was almost like kind of a bedridden for around more than a week. My father was also in the same situation.
पूजनीय प्रभु हमारे भाव उज्जवल कीजिए, छोड़ देवे छल कपट को मानसिक बल दीजिए, वेद की बोले ऋचाए सत्य को धारण करे, हर्ष में हो मन सारे शोक सागर से तरे, अश्वमेधाधिक रचाए यज्ञ को उपकार को, धर्म मर्यादा चला कर लाभ दे संसार को, भावना मिट जाए मन से पाप अत्याचार की, कामनाएं पूर्ण होवे यज्ञ से नर नार की, नित्य श्रद्धा भक्ति से यज्ञादि हम करते रहे, रोग पीड़ित विश्व के संताप सब हरते रहे, लाभकारी हो हवन हर जीवधारी के लिए, वायु जल सर्वत्र हो शुभ गंध को धारण किए, स्वार्थ भाव मिटे हमारा प्रेम पथ विस्तार हो, इदन मम का सार्थक प्रत्येक में व्यवहार हो, प्रत्येक में व्यवहार हो, प्रत्येक में व्यवहार हो।
Thank you मीनाक्षी जी for this lovely prayer. आपकी इस प्रेयर ने हमें एक अलग दुनिया में एक सोलफुल जर्नी पर भेज दिया। आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद हमसे जुड़ने के लिए। Ladies and gentlemen, not only did Ashish and his family recover, they did a great service to the community by donating plasma when the society needed it, when the community needed it. Hats off to Ashish and his family for this great act. This whole episode was also covered in the media. We would like to have a look at what the media coverage was.
कोरोना संक्रमण से स्वस्थ हो चुका एक प्लाज्मा डोनर करीब 2 कोरोना संक्रमित गंभीर मरीजों की जान बचा सकता है। इसी बात को ध्यान में रखते हुए कई लोग आगे होकर प्लाज्मा डोनेट करने आ रहे हैं। दरअसल कोरोना संक्रमण से स्वस्थ हो चुके व्यक्तियों में कोरोना वायरस से लड़ने के लिए एंटीबॉडी विकसित हो जाती है। यदि स्वस्थ हो चुके व्यक्ति का प्लाज्मा संक्रमित व्यक्ति को चढ़ाया जाए तो वह काफी फायदेमंद होता है। आशीष शाह के अनुसार पिछले माह वे संक्रमित हुए थे, लेकिन अब पूरी तरह से स्वस्थ हैं। उनके प्लाज्मा से 2 लोगों का जीवन बचेगा, इस उम्मीद से प्लाज्मा डोनेट कर रहे हैं।
मैं चाहता हूँ कि मतलब मेरे तरफ से जो भी वॉट एवर हेल्प आई कैन एक्सटेंड, जो भी मदद मैं कर सकता हूँ अपने बलबूते पे वो मैं करना चाहता हूँ।
किस तरह की मदद होगी आपकी?
मतलब जैसा कि एज पर इंफॉर्मेशन मैंने सोचा है कि इससे 3 लोगों को जान बचाने में मदद मिल सकती है, तो क्यों ना जो चीज़ मैं दे सकता हूँ वो मैं करूँ।
Thank you very much, Ashish. This was really enriching. Thank you for sharing your experience. Ladies and gentlemen, our last performer for the evening is one of the most talented singers of the Music Village. Presenting to you none other than the one and only Binny.
बाबूजी धीरे चलना, प्यार में जरा संभलना,
Wow, Binny, I'm still swaying to your song. क्या finish किया है program आज का? And we really hope that you go on into the finale. Ladies and gentlemen, that was the last song of the evening. What a performance by all the 5 singers. I'm sure the judges are going to have a really hard time deciding who's going to go on to the next round. Talking of the judges, let me take this opportunity once again to introduce you to the distinct panel of judges we have tonight. We have with us Mr. George Zakaria. He's a corporate from Pune and the lead singer of many bands for the last 25 and more years. Next we have Mr. Jesse Wilku. He's a vocalist and sound engineer and runs his own music recording studio in Delhi. He's also a live singing artist. Next on our panel is Mr. Joy Deepan. Joy is a talented guitarist and has been a lead guitarist with many bands. Joy has also associated with the TMV in the past programs. Last but not the least, we have Pandit Rajesh Kumar, one of our other panelists. Pandit ji is a veteran sitarist and a vocal guru to many young upcoming flourishing singers from Punjab, not only in India but all across the world. We are really privileged to have all of you associated with us for the Sangeet Akhara. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, very soon a panel of judges is going to come up with the results. Friends, the last clue coming up in the quiz section. The song that I'm talking about was composed by an iconic music director who was also the singer of the song. Now I'm sure you've guessed which song we are talking about. Yes, the song is Bekaraar Karke Hame Yoon Na Jaiye. The song that was so lovely and was sung beautifully by Jyoti ji tonight. So ladies and gentlemen, the wait is finally over and we've got the results. The judges have done their job and now it's my job to tell you who meets Sucheta and Preeti in the grand finale. Who's the winner of episode 2? And I've got all that written down on this piece of paper that I'm holding in my hand. So ladies and gentlemen, the winner of today's episode is... Sorry, this is a blank sheet of paper. Anyway, I have butterflies in my stomach. I don't know what's going through in the minds of the contestants. And I don't know what you audiences are thinking. But we do have the results. And the person who's going to win the second episode of the Sangeet Akhara is Binny. What an incredible episode this has been. I'm still having goosebumps. Some lovely singing and hats off to the winners. Let me tell you friends, while we had just one winner, the runners-up position was a tie. And the difference between the winner and the runner-up was only 1 point. You can imagine where this competition is going. And the standard of singing is going up with each episode. That's lovely. Ladies and gentlemen, I had a great time presenting this episode to you. And I thought that the results were astounding. I don't know if you were expecting the winner as it came out to be. Anyway, I would like to thank you once again on behalf of the Music Village, on behalf of the Sangeet Akhara, for being with us, for going through the program with us. I would also like to thank the behind the scene teams who are working relentlessly to get these episodes across to you. Thanking all the contestants of episode 1 and episode 2 for presenting such soulful and melodious numbers to all of us. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the show and I'm sure you're looking forward to the next episode, which is going to be telecast in 1 week's time. The contestants for today, you're going to get a feedback from Papori ma'am based on what the judges had to say, and this feedback is coming up in a couple of days in your next class. So until we meet again, this is your Karikram Sanchalak Sandeep bidding you goodbye, wishing you all the very best. Stay safe and have a good evening.